Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Waze integrates seamlessly with Android Auto, giving you turn-by-turn navigation, traffic alerts, and even voice commands right on your car's display. Setting it up is simple and it works with both wired and wireless connection like CarPlay. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to set up Waze on Android Auto, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, install and update Waze on your Android phone. So as you heard, download Waze from the Google Play Store and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Grant the necessary permissions, location services, notifications, and even microphone access. They are totally essential for voice commands and real-time navigation. Then connect your phone to your car. You can connect your phone to your car via USB cable or wirelessly if your vehicle supports it. Now on your car's display, open the Android Auto interface and look for the Waze icon. Set Waze as your default navigation app. In the Android Auto interface, go to Settings and set Waze as your default navigation application. You can also use voice commands like Hey Google, navigate with Waze to launch it hands-free as well. Or you can basically set up or customize whatever you like. And that's here the main idea. So let's say it didn't work for you. So here we are talking about maybe there is a problem with your car, it doesn't support Android Auto, or maybe there is a problem with an outdated app or something like this. So if the problem is your car, you can always fix it by installing a new screen that includes a new version of Android. And that's the main idea here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.